Hello children, today we are going to learn an interesting topic in science. What is it? Yes, plants. We are going to learn about plants. So what are plants? See here, plants are living things. They occur in many different shapes and sizes. Yes. So who are we children? You, me, everyone. Who are all we? We are all human beings. Yes, we are all human beings. So, under what category we come? Living things or non-living things? Human beings come under which category? Yes, we come under living things. Why? Because we breathe, we have life. So, we come under living things. Same like us, even plants are also living things. No, you might be seeing so many plants around you, in your houses, on the roads, in the parks, so many different type of plants. No, you may observe that the plants will be growing. A small plant becomes a big plant. No, so why? Because it has life, it is able to grow. That is why we call them as living things. Plants are living things. They occur in many different shapes and sizes. Many different shapes and sizes. As I said, you will see different type of plants. A small plant, a big plant. No, every plant is different from the other one. Even we also. So, some of us are boys, some of us are girls. No, some are tall, some are short. No, even human beings have different shapes and sizes. Same like that, even plants also have different shapes and sizes. So, if you see a mango tree, it's a very big one. No. And if you see like a small money plant, it's a very small one. No. Again, you have different types also in the plants, which you are going to learn in your further classes. Okay, children? So, plants are living things. They occur in different shapes and sizes. Now, plants grow in soil or water. Plants grow in soil or water. Yes, you have seen plants growing in soil around your surroundings, like outside your home or on the roads. Most of the plants you see growing in the soil. No, same like that, you have some plants which also grow in water. For example, before also I said a money plant. Most of the houses we will be having money plants, a creeper type of plant which is very beautiful. We can grow that plant either in soil or in water. Like we have so many types of that type of plants which can also grow in water. Okay, children? So we will again learn in detail about them. Okay. And a branch of science which deals with the study of plants is called botany. So we are learning about plants. No. And what is our subject today? It is science. So in science subject we are learning about plants. So in science we may also learn about animals also. Yes. So when we learn about plants, this study which is related to plants in science, we call it as botany. What we call this study, children? Yes, we call this as botany. And you have so many sections in plants, in science. So one by one we will be going to learn. Now, they make their own food and store their food in roots, stems, leaves, fruits or flowers. How is a plant growing? And how do we grow, children? How do we grow? Because we take food. It is very necessary for us to have food to have our life. Same like that, even plants are also living things. Even they have to grow, they are having life, they have to have food. And where do they store their food? They store their food in roots, stems, leaves, fruits or flowers. And who make them food and give? Do they have their mothers?